Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to replace wiper blades for Toyota Camry 2012 4-cylinder second edition. We will be replacing front windshield wiper blades. I have all the parts ready over here. If you notice, the driver's side is a little bit longer wiper blade and the passenger side a little bit smaller. So as the same, I have two parts over here, driver's side and a passenger side. Driver's side is 26, passenger side is 18. And the part number, driver's side is 4826, passenger side is 4816. Now let's start, but before we remove the old blades, we're gonna open new one and make sure they are exactly same fitting and same length. Now we're ready to replace the passenger side first. For that one, we're gonna open the passenger side wiper first, make sure it's exactly same fittings and everything. And when you open it, also comes with an instruction manual. It will let you know how to replace. We don't need it right now. I will show you in a video and we're gonna take a look. After you see the new one have a little tab over here, you press and open and wiper will slide over here. So now I made sure the part is exactly same as I have the older one. So now let's remove the old one first. Okay, if you see hook over here, old one was like that inside. It's like that. What you have to do is you have to force it back. It will come off. Now the new one, we're gonna open tab, open it, gonna slide in. And now we're gonna close tab, so it will prevent to come out, and we're gonna let it go. So we replace the passenger side right now, and we are going to replace driver's side. It have the same process. We'll open new one first. It have the same kind of fittings. Open, tab. Now we're gonna remove the old one first. Same thing, just push it back, come out. Then we will slide over here the hook in. And once you in, now it's all the way in. That's it. Now we replaced both wipers at Toyota Camry 2012 4-cylinder second edition. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.